Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is showing you 3 ways to dry mint leaves. There's only one ingredient, and that's the fresh mint. Preparation: rinse the mint leaves in cool water, then shake gently to remove any excess water. Please note, the leaves must not have any water on them. So place the mint leaves on a kitchen towel and set aside to dry completely. You can gently dab with a kitchen towel to remove any excess water. Method 1. Drying mint in an oven. Pluck the leaves from their stems, then arrange in a single layer on a baking tray lined with kitchen towel. Place in a preheated oven for 2 hours at the lowest setting and check at regular intervals to see if the leaves have completely dried out. Then remove from the oven when the leaves are brittle and crumble when rolled between your fingers. Then crush the dried mint leaves by hand. Sift the crushed mint using a strainer to separate out the fine mint powder. Finally, the last step is to transfer to an airtight container. Method 2. Drying mint in the microwave. Pluck off the mint leaves and arrange in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate and microwave on high power for 1 minute. After a minute, remove from the microwave and toss the leaves about. Then microwave for another 1 minute. Remove from the microwave and again toss the leaves about again. Continue to microwave for 30 seconds at a time until the leaves are completely dry. Check that the leaves are brittle and can crumble when rolled between the fingers. Then crush the dried mint leaves by hand. Sift the crushed mint using a strainer to separate out the fine mint powder. The last step of this method is, as before, to transfer to an airtight container. Method 3. Drying mint in a dehydrator. Arrange the mint leaves in a single layer on the dehydrator tray so that the leaves will dry out completely and more evenly. Use additional trays as required to avoid overcrowding and to allow air circulation. Dry for the shortest period of time on the lowest setting possible if applicable. The typical drying time is 1 to 2 hours. Check regularly to see if the leaves are dry and can crumble when rolled between the fingers. Then crush the dried mint leaves by hand. As in the previous methods, sift the crushed mint using a strainer to separate out the fine mint powder. And as you already know, the last step is to transfer to an airtight container. So there you have it, 3 ways to dry mint leaves. Store the airtight containers in a cool, dry and dark location and use within 6 to 12 months. The dried mint powder is an important ingredient in the preparation of the aromatic salt recipe. The link to the aromatic salt recipe is given in the description below. Thank you for stopping by. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you have not yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Bye-bye.